Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report, sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Conducting workshop in Chennai and Mumbai in the month of January. For details, contact our office. The contact numbers are given in the description. And in a day or two, I'm planning to finalize an online workshop for US trading. So just wait for the announcement today or tomorrow. Coming back to the markets, the markets were so volatile today. Sensex expiry, Sensex went down 250 points, then shot up 500 points, again came down by 500 points, It was going all over the places. Maybe it's due to expiry related issues, or markets were very, very jittery ahead of the RBI policy. So as I discussed earlier, it should be status quo if you go by other economic parameters. But, the RBI governor has stated that, there is a room to cut the rates. But I do not know how he can cut the rates, given the fact that the rupee has hit all-time low today. And then, like other things also. So that's why the people are so confused. We are getting mixed signals. So therefore, the big question, the $1 million question is that tomorrow, what is going to happen? In my opinion, they may not cut the rates, but they might do something else. Maybe cut in CRR, cash reserve ratio, or some tinkering with other things, and followed by some kind of a optimistic statements, dovish statements, or they may be giving some kind of, assurances that, the rupee may not depreciate further, or, all kinds of things. So they will try to project as if everything is good for India. But the fact is that, now they say a depreciation of Indian rupee is good for economy. So if that is the case, then every country should depreciate their own currency. Okay, now let us not get into the politics. So anyway, so this is very, very pathetic. About 1 year before, I remember seeing $1 was around 82 rupees. Now it is coming 90 rupees 41 paise was the low today morning. In fact, that has created some kind of a jittery in the morning itself. Then looks like the domestic institutions. Because today morning I mentioned Nifty was down for 4 straight days, and the Nifty had 5 red candles. That means the first day it opened higher, but closing was lower than the opening. So because of that, although it was higher than the previous day, but it was a red candle. So something similar to the second and third week of September. But that time it was 8 straight days of fall and 9 straight days of red candle. Then market shot up from that level. But now, although we had 5 red candles and 4 straight days of fall, the first trading session's low was not broken. And I told you, if the first trading session, there is a significant rally, then most of the time, so that day's low will not be broken for the rest of the series. So the first trading session's low was 25,850 approximately. So that was not tested. And though Nifty went below 26,000, just only one trading session, it closed below 26,000. But today, again, it closed about 26,000. Earlier, about 1 week, 10 days before, Nifty actually closed below 26,000 for 2 trading sessions. And then market shot up. Now this week, only 1 trading session, Nifty closed below 26,000, now shot up. So we have to wait and see whether the 26,000 will be held on. But as I told you earlier, 26,000 is only a psychological support, but the technical support is at 25,850. Just now I read a news that Reliance Industries is planning an IPO for Reliance Jio. This is the best time to come out with IPO. Everybody, crazy after IPOs. and every day 2-3 IPOs are coming. Mobilization of money has become so easy in IPO. So definitely Ambanis will try to seize this opportunity. They can come out with a very high valuation. So the probably, it may not happen immediately. It may take few months, but that may be one of the largest IPOs in India. So that can potentially add value to Reliance Industries also. So for the medium term, the story is different, but for short term, it's all about RBI policy tomorrow. So then after that, then next week, the Fed policy in US. So one good thing is that the Nifty closed above 26,000. Second good thing is that, the India VIX crashed by 3.5%. And now India VIX is below 11. And below 11 is considered to be a very, very low VIX number. And then people, they are losing the faith and they're thinking that market is not going to go anywhere. So, same time around last year, the option premiums were very good, but now option premiums, I'm talking about the long-term options. Options premiums are very, very pathetic. So anyway, one trading session has gone well. So, we will concentrate on next weekly options. Yesterday, 26,000 to 26,500 across the board, all the calls were written. And I think today, those people who sold 26,000 call yesterday, now they are feeling, so now they are selling 26,000 put option to convert that into straddle. So as I told you, for the short term, for the next few trading session, maybe until next Tuesday, so it may be between 25,700 and 26,300 going by the 26,000 short straddle prices. So otherwise, there is nothing very important, very big move, except, today Nifty closed about 26,000 despite the top 3 stocks, Reliance Industries, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. And all 3 stocks closed in negative territory. So that is something very interesting today. So the rest of the things we will discuss tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.